And hello everyone to this video in which we are going to see how to add the new DLSS 4.5 to any game you want. So NVIDIA just released this update, the upscaler for all RTX users and the multi-frame generation or the new frame generation for 50 series only. So the first thing we have to do is go to the NVIDIA app, make sure that you have NVIDIA app, of course. Go to settings and go to about and make sure to check this feature, so you will get the beta access and the new features. Go to the drivers, make sure that you are in the latest driver and in the latest one in the time of recording this video. If you want to see if there is a new update, just click here and it will refresh. Go to the graphics tab or graphics section, and here you find the games. Click here, make sure to refresh. We have here the games that you have that supported from NVIDIA. We have, for example, The Witcher 3. We are going to try in this game. Go down and we have here DLSS override model preset. You will find it like that. What you have to do, click here. You can just choose the latest and it will use the latest one that's released, or you can just use custom. I prefer to use custom. Go here and choose preset M, which is DLSS transformer model, the new one, the second gen. You can also use the frame generation. Here, if you have a supported graphics card, they have a 3062 GB, so I cannot use the latest one. Here, click apply. Here you can, if the game doesn't support the LAA or ultra performance, or you get the idea. Just you can choose and apply. I don't want this. Now what you have to do, launching our game. After launching your game, make sure that you enable the DLSS, and this is the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.